Sometimes the pain becomes the teacher, and the night becomes a road to light. Listen to the universe calling your soul. Smoke rising slowly in the midnight rain, old guitar crying like a runaway train. I gave my heart to a love gone cold. Now I walk these streets with a spirit grown old. Broken mirrors, memories burn. Every scar got a lesson to learn. The moon keeps watching from above, teaching wounded souls how to love. And the wind keeps whispering my name, through the fire, through the pain. Every loss became a sign. The universe says your soul still shines. Oh, I hear the universe calling when my spirit feels like falling. Reggae rhythm healing my blues tonight, turning darkness into light. Records spinning slow, deep roots bass in the radio, smoky bar and neon lights, lonely dreamers searching life. I met an old man by the sea. He said, son, just let it be. Energy moves through everything. What you give is what life brings. Soul is free. No more chains around my mind, no more fear I leave behind. Every heartbeat, every sound is the universe spinning around. Oh, I hear the universe calling, through the silence softly falling. Reggae fire burning deep inside, so when the blues come knocking at your door, don't run away. Sit with the pain, play your guitar, feel the rhythm of the earth. Because every soul has a journey, and every broken heart can rise again. One love, one universe, one spirit.